let us be patriotic. Kambuzo omwana akubulirewo. Papa Asula. Aina ennyumba mu saidi oba kitintalo omwo oba munda omwo aina ennyumba ayinawo emmotoka eziri talina number plate ziparkinze wuwe. Tomanyi we ziri. Now, what you are going to do, he was here yesterday. So actually, call Muumuza. You know Muumuza? Albert. Mumumanya Muumuza I.O. Baita you know Rugambo. So you call him to come where you are. Then you ask him what you want to take you. Don't allow him to know what you are calling him for. Because he can tell them, no, I don't want people who think are untouchable. Ninchimanya, you see, I told the Chameleon, you cannot drive a numberless car. For 2 years in Uganda, thinking you will drive a car without a number plate in Uganda. And because you support Museveni. After supporting Museveni, whenever they intimidate you, you say, I'm going to support Bobi Wine. Go and support him. So even if Papa, if he has 10 cars and URA knows properly, the man has parked 5 cars in his compound without tax, and you just leave the man to drive. He came to my office with a Benz, which has no number plate. Nonda Muumuza Mugambe, you come here. So don't tell him what you want. Tell him I want to see you. Then you ride a bike. When he gets here, Mugambe Muumuza, police doesn't want anything from you but take us where Papa stays. I saw the car. He has cars, maybe 10 cars in his compound. Number plate, Akuna. In an apartment, he stays in an apartment, but he parked them in front of the apartment. He showed me a photo until Olaba Muzei in a motor. Then other cars are at go forward. This is go forward in Naguru. So you ask you go forward, the bond owner of go forward knows where Papa stays. Because he picks those cars from the bond, he drives, takes back the bond.